Is your Ninja Foodi grill refusing to turn on? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your grill will be back in action. First, check the power source. Ensure the grill is plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another appliance, like a lamp, to confirm it's functional. If you're using a GFI outlet, press the reset button. It may have tripped without warning. Inspect the power cord. Look for visible damage, kinks, or frayed wires. A compromised cord can prevent power from reaching the grill. Avoid using extension cords as they may not handle the appliance's voltage. Reset the appliance. Unplug the grill for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary errors. This simple step resolves many power issues, similar to resetting a router. Check the circuit breaker. High-power appliances like the Foodi grill can trip breakers. If other devices on the same circuit aren't working, reset the breaker at your electrical panel. If all else fails, the issue may involve an internal fuse or wiring. Do not attempt to disassemble the grill. Contact Ninja Support for professional repair options. Pro tip: update your grill's firmware via the Ninja app. Outdated software can sometimes cause power-on failures. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!